you need a clip, and in this case we are going to use a clip of a female woman dancing. I'm going to make the clip 6 seconds long, and I'm going to hold Alt and I'm going to drag one clip above it because we need 2 clips as I'm showing right here. Okay, so now we need to go to the color tab, and in the color tab we need to make sure that the second clip has no saturation at all, so it becomes black and white. But that's not enough because this is shot in a very bright environment, so I'm just going to drop down the offset to make it even more dark, and I'm going to increase the contrast to give it that eerie look Sin City films have, because that's the effect that we're going for here, because that is what Frank Miller is known about. Right, so after we done that, we need to select the first clip, because that's the clip that we need to mask the woman out in. Now I'm going to find the perfect time, which is around here, because it shows most of the body that I need for this mask, so it can be tracked properly. Now make sure you have this symbol selected, and then with your mouse button just paint over her, like so. You don't have to paint everything, but just don't go outside of her. Right. Then what I'm going to do is, I see some things selected over here, so I'm going to click Alt, and I'm just going to draw around her close by, so I'm sure that the things around her are not selected. Now once I've done that, I'm going to click Better, and I'm going to click this symbol, tracking forward and tracking backwards. It's now going to track the female forward and backwards, and once that's done, your effect is done. But you don't see the background, right? So for that you need to click the right mouse button, add alpha output, and then connect the blue dot to the blue dot, and then deselect the toggle mask overlay. And there you have it. So if we go back and we play this clip, we now see that she's still in color, and then everything around her is in black and white.